Hello everyone, I'm Chair RM. Before we proceed to our new lesson, do not forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much. Our lesson in today's video is a radical equation. A radical equation is an equation that contains a variable in the radicand. Example of these are the following. Now let us discuss the steps in solving a radical equation involving only one variable. Number 1. Isolate the radical on the left side by applying the appropriate properties of equality. Number 2. Combine similar terms whenever possible. Number 3. Remove the radical sign by raising both sides of the equation to the index of the radical. Then number 4, solve the resulting equation. Then number 5, check the solutions in the given equation for a possible presence of extraneous roots. When we say extraneous roots, these are numbers obtained when solving an equation that is not a solution to the original equation. Okay, so let us have some examples. We have number 1. Square root of x is equal to 7, while number 2, square root of x is equal to negative 3. So let us find the solution of these two equations. In the equations, the variable is already on the left side. So squaring the both sides, we have this first. Let us answer number 1 first. Squaring the both sides. The index is 2, so we have to square it. And then the value of this is x. We cancel the index and then the exponent. Then getting the value of 7 squared, and that is 49. Then let us check if x equals 49 is the solution of square root of x is equal to 7. So we have, if square root of x is equal to 7, then x is equal to 49. So we have square root of 49 is equal to 7. Then get the value of square root of 49, and that is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, as you can see, x is equal to 49 is the solution of square root of x is equal to 7. Okay, let us try this number 2. So as you can see, in number 2, the variable is already again on the left side. So we have to square the both sides. So square the both sides. Then we have x is equal to negative 3 squared is positive 9, because we have negative 3 times negative 3. So we have positive 9. And we multiplying the same sign. So the answer is always positive. Then of course, to check if square root of x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 9, then we have square root of 9 is equal to negative 3. Then square root of 9 is 3 is equal to negative 3. So that is false. Okay, so thus x is equal to 9 is not a solution. So it is what we call the extraneous roots. We have extraneous roots, wherein the equation has no real solution. Now let us have example number 3 and number 4. For number 3, we have square root of x minus 4 equals 2. Then for number 4, we have cube root of 2x minus 1 plus 3 equals 0. So let us solve the two equations. Let us start for number 3. First, get the square of both sides. Then of course, solve for the variable. So we have to square the both sides. Then we have to cancel the index and then the exponent. So we have x minus 4. Then get the value of 2 squared, and that is 4. Okay, then you will transpose negative 4 to the right side of the equation. So it becomes positive instead of negative. So we write 4 plus 4. Then the value of our x is 8. Then again, like number 1 and number 2, you can check if your answer is correct or if 8 is a solution of square root of x minus 4 is equal to 2. All you have to do is to substitute the value of x, which is 8, to x here. So we have 8 minus 4, and that is 4 square root of 4, which is 2. Then 2 is equal to 2. So correct. So it means that x is equal to 8 is a solution of square root of x minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay, let us proceed to number 4. Okay, now so let us solve number 4. First, isolate the radical, then get the cube of both sides. So transpose positive 3 to the right side of the equation, it becomes negative 3. Then get the cube of both sides. Of course, cancel. So the remaining is 2x minus 1 equals, get the value of negative 3 cubed. So negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9, times negative 3 is negative 27. Then transpose negative 1 to the right side. So we have 2x equals negative 27 plus 1. So we have 2x equals negative 26. So we have unlike sign, so we will subtract, then get the sign of the greatest number. Then 2x equals negative 26. Divide the both sides of the equation by 2, the numerical coefficient of x. So we have x is equal to negative 13. So this is the solution of number 4. Okay, so now we have example number 5. We have square root of 3x plus 3 minus square root of 5x minus 1 equals 0. So as you can see, there are radical equations containing more than one radical. The technique in solving equation of this type is to isolate any of the radicals on the left, then square both sides in many times as needed. For example, here, we will transpose negative square root of 5x minus 1 to the right side of the equation. So we have square root of 3x plus 3 equals square root of 5x minus 1. Okay, so negative, the negative become positive. Okay, then squaring the both sides. We have 3x plus 3 equals 5x minus 1. Then all the variables must be on the left side. So we have 3x, right? Then transpose negative 5, positive 5x, so it becomes negative 5x equals negative 1 transpose positive 3 to the right, so it becomes negative 3. And then this 5x on the left, so it becomes negative 5x. Then after that, this is unlike sign, so you will subtract. Then we have negative 2x equals, we have like sign, so you will add, then prefix the common sign, so we have negative 4. Then of course, getting the value of our x is equal to positive 2 because we divide the both sides of the equation by negative 2. So negative 2x divided by negative 2 is x. Then negative 4 divided by negative 2 is 2. So this is our solution. Okay. Any question? And that is the end of our lesson, which is all about radical equations. Goodbye and God bless.